I got a package in the mail today and I'm very excited. I ordered something from a company called Moo, and I will show you the first thing that I got. And it's this little holder here. And to go inside that little holder there, let's open up this box. First of all, it says, "Yay!" because we're excited that we got it. Open it up. Well, aren't you just a ray of human sunshine? You're human, right? And look at the presentation inside this box. I am very, very impressed. So they have a wax seal inside here. Okay. They get A+ for presentation. Inside here are my new business cards. I already snuck a couple out because this is my new case to hold my business cards. And it fans open. So the really cool thing about Moo is you can actually get different fronts to your business cards. So they're all the same on the back. Okay, but I chose 4 different pictures. Okay, here's 1. There's 2. Okay, there's 3. And there's number 4. So I chose 4 different pictures that I really liked, and I popped those on the front. And there we go. And they're fantastic, thick, premium business cards. All right. Full color, or in my case, sometimes black and white. Absolutely fantastic packaging, and really, really love the business cards so far. So big shout out and thank you to Moo.